Hi, let's see standing waves. For that, I have searched online to tone generator, and by this home theater, I will generate that tone. So, in my computer, simply open this online tone generator, and here you can see I have selected sine wave, and now its frequency is 1, and by clicking this option we can play it. So this is my setup. Here I tied that string to this home theater's hooper, and one end of this string that I tied to that small speaker. It is just for support. This is just for support, and I will increase or decrease the frequency from my computer by this keyboard. Just for up this, and for down I will press this. So let's start doing our experiment. So this is my computer, and now I am playing it. So it is started, and I will increase its frequency. And I have done it up to 5 Hertz, and you can see some vibrations in a string. They are coming from this vibrating hooper. So let's increase it. Now it is on 10 Hertz, and as you can see, our string is vibrating. A certain waves are created on it. I am just increasing the frequency, and you can see you are getting our first standing wave. We are getting the fundamental tone, and I am increasing the frequency. I increase it up to 21 Hertz, and you can clearly see this standing wave created by this hooper. You can clearly see its node, antinode. There is some one special thing here. We will increase this frequency. Now 24. See this fundamental tone of standing wave. I am increasing frequency continuously. 28, 30, 31. I am increasing it. I have gone up to 40. So now we get our first overtone. You can clearly see a node between our both two waves. And now the frequency is 47 hertz. See, now let's again increase the frequency. We will collect all overtones that can be possible. So I am increasing frequency, you may hearing it. By this camera you can also see that waves motion. Now the frequency is 59 hertz. Let's increase it. So, wow, you are getting our second overtone. You can see now the frequency is 74 hertz. Here is the third overtone. You can see 3 nodes between them.